Hi, this is Dave Forster with Basecamp Trading, and today I wanted to teach you a little bit about trend lines, also give you a pending setup on SLV, the silver ETF. And if we take a look at this primary trend line, which was following before, to the upside, then that broke down quite a bit between this gap down that occurred back on May 14th, and then also on the 15th, there was a trend line that was still holding though, going up in here until we gapped down again. So this then, I would say, became the primary uptrend line. And this starts from the low back on March 26th and then connects with the low on April 29th and May 19th, and we just broke it and gapped down to the downside. Now we are testing some horizontal support. I'll just zoom in to the most recent trading. So watch this tomorrow. If we break today's low tomorrow at 66.10, we could get some follow through to the downside. You can see that this level's been tested back on May 19th, also May 28th. So far it's held, but we could have bearish setup on SLV to the downside. There are a couple of support levels a little bit lower, but this kind of horizontal support break could take us lower. My first target would be this low from April 29th, around $64. Next target would be this swing low, a little bit above $60. All right. And last of all, I wanted to let you know you could join our trial membership if you head to bctnow.com/join. So head there and you will be able to get a 30-day unlimited trial for just $7. All right, so hopefully that setup helps. Keep an eye on SLV, and I'll look forward to catching you next time.